Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use MozBar Chrome Extension. Let's get started. To install MozBar Chrome Extension, go to Google and type MozBar Chrome Extension. Click this link. You'll see a Chrome Web Store link. Click on it. Now click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Now it's being installed. You have to wait for a couple of seconds. So MozBar has been added to Chrome. Close it. Now it's not appearing here. To make it appear here, click on this icon that says extensions and then click on pin button in front of MozBar. Now you can see the MozBar icon here. So MozBar has been installed. Now let's see how we can use it. Let's say I go to this website. Now click on MozBar icon. And from here go to settings and then click on enable MozBar. Click anywhere on the page and refresh it. You will see a bar at the top of the page, and this is actually MozBar, and this will show you different metrics like DA, PA, but you'll need to sign in, and you can sign in with your free account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in, or if you don't have an account, it's very easy to create. Simply click here, and here you can enter your email, name, password, and company details, and click on sign up to create an account. I already have an account, so I'll click on login or enter my details. Login. Now let's go back to this website. It's still not showing the metrics, so I can click on the MozBar icon again, and now you can see that it has started showing the different metrics like PA and DA for this website. Now if I go to any page, it will show me its DA and PA. As we are on the same site, so the DA will be same and PA for this page is 64. Now if I go to any website, it will show me its DA and PA at the top. For example, if I go to Healthline, I can see the DA and PA for this website. One more thing, on any website, you can click on this icon and then click on General Attributes. So this will give you more details about the page, like its canonical URL, page loading time, Google Cache URL, hreflangs if there are any, and then the sitemap links. All the sitemaps are here, and then it will also show you the robots.txt file of this website as well. And if you click on page elements, it will show you the title, page title, meta description, meta keywords, H1, H2s, and image alt text if found. And if you go to highlight links, then it will show you followed, no followed, external and internal links. Let's go to this website to see how this works. Click on MozBar icon, and if you now click on external, it will highlight all the links that are going outside of this website. And if you click internal, then it will highlight all the links that are going inside of this website or to some other page of this website. And if you click on follow, then it will show you the links that are followed. It will display the followed links in this color, and you can see this color here. Now let's turn it off and turn this off. So you can see these are the followed links on this page. And if you also click on no follow, then let's scroll down, and you can see this color here, this color, which means that this link is no follow. So you can easily check which links are followed and which links are no follow, and you can also check whether a link is external and internal by checking these options. So you can check the general attributes like these: canonical URL, page loading time, hreflangs, sitemap, robots.txt. Then you can check URL, title, description, meta keywords, H1, image alt text, and then you can go to highlight links to see which links are followed, no followed, external and internal links. And another thing this extension can help you with is, for example, if I go to Google and type blogging, so these are highlighting the links. So let's click here and uncheck these. Now if I scroll down, it will show the DA and PA under every link. You can see here the DA for this website is 47 and PA for this page is 53. you can see here. If I go to next, you can see the DA and PA of every link in the search results. This is very helpful. This can help you in finding the keyword difficulty. For example, if you see lower DA and PA sites are ranking for any keyword, then that means that keyword will be easy. And if higher DA websites are ranking, then this means that this keyword is difficult. So for this keyword, you can see all the websites are high DA and only one website is 26 DA. So this can help you find easy keywords for targeting. For example, if I click this keyword, so you can see 5293, 5441. So this keyword is again difficult, and we have one low DA site ranking for this keyword. Let's click this. So you can see a DA 11 website is ranking for this keyword, and DA 14 website is ranking for this keyword, and DA 1 website is ranking for this keyword. So 3 low DA websites are ranking for this keyword. So this means that this keyword is easy keyword for us to target. And it depends on your website. If you have a high DA website, then you can target difficult keywords. But if you are starting, then you can find keywords for which low DA websites are ranking. So you will have a good chance of ranking for those keywords. I don't want to go too much into the details about this. I can create a separate video for this to find the keyword difficulty of any keyword. But this extension can help you a lot. You can see a DA and PA in the search results. Moreover, you can click on the dark mode to turn on the dark mode, and you can also click on dock to bottom, so it will show the MozBar at the bottom of the page. So this is how you can install and use MozBar Chrome Extension. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.